Um, Good morning to everyone. My name is Ajola Bulasfe. Now, based on Shopify website, Shopify store design tí mo ṣe lọ ní last video tí mo drop. Now ní last video yẹn mo ṣàlàyé bí a ṣe lè mo kàn ṣàlàyé bí Shopify bó ṣe jẹ́ àbí bí ó ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́. Wọ́n ní fídíò eléyìí mo fẹ́ drop bí a ṣe lè set it up as in our own store bá ṣe lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní design ẹ̀. So to start with mo fẹ́ sign up. So Gmail tí mo fẹ́ lò ní mo fẹ́ get ready. So enter your email to get started. So máa tẹ email yìí sí báyìí. Then you sign up for free trial. Then your password. Ẹ máa tẹ password yín sí. Then the name of your store. Just for test. So create your store like that. So I'm gonna save my pass. So ó ti gbé mi lọ sí the next page. So bí báyà kan máa fill oníkà bí a ti ń ta nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀, what's the current revenue, iye tá a make tẹ́lẹ̀ and so on and so forth. So mo ti fill àwọn ilé based on nǹkan tí mi fẹ́ fi ṣe. Are you setting up for a client? Yes, I'm a designer developer. We need so the next your address and you fill in your address. So ilé wà fún pé tá bá ní bí personal website tẹ́lẹ̀ a lè fi mọ̀, but it is what option. So after that enter my store. So sorry, state Osun State. So enter my store. So at wà ní admin. So tá bá fẹ́ view site wa yìí, this is what we want to copy. So let's copy ẹ̀ máa lọ view ẹ̀ ní another browser entirely. So there you are. So pé coming soon. So enter using password. Now reason tí eléyìí fi gbé wá is that we are using like the free plan as at now. So tó bá jẹ́ pé a ti choose plan ní Shopify, then it will be visitable free of charge. But mo dà pé free plan à ń lò ló jẹ́ kó gbé ilé wa. So let's go back to what we're doing. So home, this is the orders you've made through your Shopify, the product you have your customer, then the analytics, marketing, discount, then apps that you've installed or developed for it. But what we want to look at, what I'm going to be doing basically is the online store, how you want it to really look like. So the first thing we have to do is to go and choose a theme. So yeah, and for us is either you are choosing a theme or you're uploading a theme. So if you have a theme already, if your client is providing you a theme, so you can easily upload from here. And if not, then we can visit theme store. So let's explore free themes. There's paid ones and there are free ones. So let's visit the free ones. So as you can see, here are the free ones that we can choose from. You can see we have lots. So let's just stick with this one. This is how it's going to look like. So you add it into the library. So here it's going to show you. So it's still supplying. Yeah, so the theme has been installed. So now we just want to move to customization of the theme. So let's just go straight to customizing. Well, you can rename it, you can duplicate it, you can download, you can edit the code, you can edit what language was used to be built. So customization of the theme, that's where we're going straight. So let's don't forget we are there already where we're going to customize. Yeah, this is the theme. and basically same is already like just a template. You are designing your landing page, you just move to get response and um, select what templates you want to work on. So something similar to what we have here. So here we are. To start with, we have the images and text. So let's change what image we have on here. So let's check free, since this is just some kind of training and demo. So let's just make use of what we have here already. So select. So it's gonna change for sure. So check pé mo ti add ẹ̀, so the same thing tí mo ṣe ńbẹ̀ tí mo ṣe first one náà mo ṣe fún gbogbo ẹ̀. So after that we go to save. So let's assume after adding these three, which tó bá template àwọn you feel like adding more, you can add more columns or remove section entirely. I hope you understand. So let's move to the next section. I hope you understand what section is. This is section, this is also a section. Let's move to the next section, which is featured collection. Now if you listen to the video I dropped earlier, I'm very sure you would understand the meaning of featured collection, what the collection is about. Now in a single collection we have glasses and cap. I hope you understand it. This one is going to this store to shop for bag. He clicks on the bag and every product about bags appears to the person. I hope you understand. So yeah, so featured collection. So then let's put testing as usual. So select, so we have to select collection now. So since we don't have any collection yet, so let's try to create one. So let's see. So this is the collection. So yeah, testing, just add the collection image. So the person is going to know, okay, this is what this collection is about. So you're going to add an image about it. So the image is there already. So collection type, is it manual? Add products to this collection one by one, learn about it. So if you want to learn more about it, automated existing and future products that match the condition you set will automatically be added to this collection. So when you are uploading some products, and anyone that automatically match what this collection is about, then automatically it moves. So these are the conditions you set. So automatically it moves there. So let's use product title contains is equals to bag. Let's say bag. So when we're uploading any product that has to do with bag, it moves there automatically. So I'm saving it. So that's it. So that's how to add a collection. So the collection has been saved, but not yet live on our menu. So you have to update our menu here. So that's navigations here. So the navigations lele to be where that's my add menu. So menu to wà. So add menu. So wà fún menu ẹ̀ ní orúkọ new card. So menu item so bag is wà bẹ́ẹ̀ you see. So you want to save menu. So after that you can now add menu items, name, tag. So the name is back. So link. So we're going to choose out of the sales channels which we have already. So let's put products, or let's just put collections, as it's one of the collections. Let's add it. Then you add, so it's there already. So if you want to create, so you save it. So that's it. So yeah, we're going to select collections for which this one is going to be among. To select, so as you can see, bags. So we're choosing for bags. Then you select. So when anyone is clicking it, it's going to link the person to the collection of bags. So you understand. Now you can show product vendors, you can show view button based on how you want to set this to go. So that's it. So let's move to the next one. So the next one, which is image and text over layout. So let's choose our image here. Let's import. So it's there already. So testing. So that's it. So you have to save it. Yeah. So after this is done and completed, so let's move to testimonial. That means what other people are saying about us. So let's see what we can write about it. So what people are saying about the products, write it. And author, write the name of the author, same as this. Repeat the same thing and give it both author name. So you can leave it that way. So last one. So if you want to add more, you can add. If you want to remove, you can remove from yeah. No. So the next one is gallery. That's to showcase what you have. So I hope I've taught us how to add. So if you want some text to appear like this, it's known as caption. So you add it here. So third one, you explore image, just bring it just so. So in this section you can add more sections. So you browse through what section you want to add. Is it slideshow? Is it logo list? So much things to add through. Choose. You can even add a video. So basically we are done with the home page. So my first 15 minutes is up. So we'll be ending this video now and see if I can start another one shortly. Thanks for your time. We shall meet at the top.